Hello everyone. I'm so happy to formally register my opinion about SLAM, Servant Leadership in Action for Momentum. Well, I'm John Manoharan, a behavioral trainer, learning coach, founder and director of Gen Prodigy Talent Consultancy. In the recent past, I had the privilege of being part of this program. As a participant, there were many learnings that I received. This program is well structured with scientifically proven tools and techniques that helps an individual not just learn about servant leadership philosophy, but also apply and implement in our day-to-day life. Well, this workshop also shows us through their tools and techniques where we stand as a servant leader and to which place or to where we can get to. Usually, after any learning program, we are left with a lingering question. What next? I don't know if you have faced such question, but I have always faced what next. After the wow factor of the training settles in us, then this question raises, what next? Was my investment worth it? Well, in my opinion, anybody who's investing into this workshop will find it worth. Reason being that they just don't teach you these philosophies, but they also provide you with different set of tools and techniques that will help you in applying these principles. Until I attended this workshop for a long time, I believed that any relationship that does not bear results is not good to hold on to. But after coming here, it just blew my mind. It changed my whole perspective about that. The contrast between the human-friendly and human-centric leadership blew my mind. And I believe that that's my biggest takeaway from this training program, putting others first. Well, I'm going to take that and start working on it as a feedback for myself and a feed forward for my future as I apply the servant leadership principle and attempt to be a servant leader. I've also chosen my wife to be my accountability partner in this journey as I progress applying these principles of servant leadership. I'm hoping that she will be able to guide me and help me be successful as a servant leader. Thank you for hearing me out.